lecture we start non-linear partial differential equation of first order. Means we have the partial differential of first order, but it is in the non-linear form. Means the power of p and q will be more than 1. Okay. So we have different type of non-linear partial differential equation of first order. First we study type 1. Type 1 is of equation of the type f of pq is equals to 0. F of pq is equals to 0, that is the equation containing only p and q. Okay. Then the solution will be, we see that z equal to ax plus by plus c. Then we tell that del z over del x is equals to a and del z over del y is equals to b. Then we have the solution in the term of f of ab is equals to 0. देखिए a ये हो गया, b ये हो गया, यानी ये हो गई आपकी p की वैल्यू, ये हो गई आपकी q की वैल्यू. Simply you put the value of p is equals to a and the value of q is equals to b in every question. Okay. Now let us do the example for this method. Example is solve p square plus q square is equals to 1. तो आपका सोल्यूशन यही होगा. आप मानोगे लेट z इक्वल टू ax प्लस by प्लस c. ओके. देन p is equals to del z over del x is equals to a and q is equals to del z over del y is equals to b. Then the solution will be, आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली आपको p की जगह a और b की जगह क्या पुट करना है, q की जगह b, है ना. तो योर सोल्यूशन विल बी a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 1. देन आप एक मान निकाल सकते हो b स्क्वायर की वैल्यू. b की वैल्यू यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगी, अंडर रूट 1 माइनस a स्क्वायर. देन z इज इक्वल टू ax प्लस by प्लस c है. आप इसमें डाल दोगे ax, तो आप ax ही लिखा रहने दीजिए. by है, b की जगह आपने ये वैल्यू रख दी, अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस a स्क्वायर y प्लस c. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ योर दिस क्वेश्चन. तो आपको समझ में आया. सिंपली आपको p की जगह a रखना है, q की जगह b रखना है, अपनी इक्वेशन फॉर्म कर लेनी है. फिर आपको सेकंड जो कांस्टेंट है वो इन टर्म्स ऑफ फर्स्ट कांस्टेंट निकालना है और यहाँ पर a b c की वैल्यू है, आपने a b और c की वैल्यू पुट कर दिया. दिस इज योर सोल्यूशन. दिस इज ऑफ टाइप 1. Another will be do type 2. Now the type 2 is a first order partial differential equation also known as Clauret's type. ठीक है, Clauret's type. ठीक है. In this method we have the equation in the form px z equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. Then the solution will be in the form of z equal to ax plus by plus f of ab. Okay. So let us do the numerical based on this. Suppose we have to solve z equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. So you can see that the equation given in this form, isn't it? Therefore the solution will be z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. You can see that we put in place of b we put a and in place of q we put b, and this will be your answer, final answer. ठीक है. In the after that we will do the type 3rd method. Now we will do the type 3rd method. In this we have the equation of the type f of z pq is equals to 0. That is the equation not containing x and y. Okay. So suppose in this we will assume that z is a function of u, where u equals to x plus ay. Okay, then we have del u over del x is equals to 1 and del u over del y is equals to a. Then we have p is equals to del z over del x, which can be written as dz over du into del u over del x is equals to dz over du, because we put 1 in place of del u over del x. आप ये समझे del x over del, हमने del z over del x कैसे लिखा है, dz over du, क्योंकि हमने पहले ही बता दिया z is a function of u, where u is a function of x and y. Therefore we write dz over du क्योंकि z सिर्फ u पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, dz over du, और u क्योंकि 2 पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, that is why we write del u over del x. This value comes out to be dz over du. Similarly, we will find the value of q, del z over del y. This can be written as dz over du into del u over del y. आपको पता है, अब del u over del y की जगह हम क्या पुट कर देंगे, a, तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी a dz over du. ओके, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a. तो आपका जो फंक्शन था ये वाला f of z p q equal to 0. This can be represented as f of, आपने z की जगह z ही लिखा रहने दिया, p की जगह आपने क्या रख दिया, dz over du, and in place of q you put a dz over du. Okay, this will be your equal to 0. This will be your solution. In this form we get the solution. Now let us do the example. Suppose we have to solve solve p into 1 plus q square equal to q z minus a. Okay, in this also we assume that let u is equals to x plus ay, similar way. Okay, then we put p is equals to dz over du and q is equals to a dz over du. ये वैल्यू मैंने डायरेक्ट रख दी जो मैंने आप लोगों को ऊपर सॉल्व करके बताई थी. ओके, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ p and q in our given equation, we get in place of p you put dz over du. Okay, 1 plus q square, this means a square dz over du का होल स्क्वायर equal to q, यानी a dz over du into z minus a. Okay, so this can be written as, since we are having the a in this question, we will take, instead of ay we can take by, because it can be make a confusion if we take both the places by a. So just I am putting in place of a b. Okay, here you are having the a, so that you can differentiate where we are taking the variable and where we already get the variable. Okay, now we are having this term, now dz over du can be cancelled out, and this can be written as, you take 1 there, है ना, तो you are getting b square dz over du का whole square is equals to b z minus a minus 1. Okay, then you get dz over du is equals to, similarly you get dz over du 1 upon p इधर आ गया, अंडर रूट ऑफ इसका खोला bz minus ab minus 1. Okay, you get the value of bz over du. Now we have to integrate this, so we will take here b upon under root of bz minus ab minus 1. Okay, and take here dz is equals to u उधर ले जाइए du. ठीक है, आप ऐसे ही मान लेना, इसमें let bz minus ab minus 1 is equals to t, then you get b dz is equals to dt. तो bz dz की जगह आपका क्या आ जाएगी वैल्यू, dt. तो ये इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा आपका dt ओवर t, सॉरी रूट t is equals to u plus इंटीग्रेटिंग कांस्टेंट c. तो t अंडर रूट t की पावर माइनस 1/2 का आप इंटीग्रेट करोगे, you will get twice t to the का 1/2 इक्वल टू u प्लस सी। आप t की वैल्यू पुट कर दो। t आपने क्या माना था, bz माइनस ए बी, तो आ जाएगा अंडर रूट bz माइनस ए बी माइनस 1 इक्वल टू u प्लस सी। ओके, स्क्वायर कर दीजिए आप दोनों साइड, तो आ जाएगा 4 bz माइनस ए बी माइनस 1 इक्वल टू u प्लस सी का होल स्क्वायर। एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट 4 bz minus ab minus 1 equal to, put the value of u, x plus by. You get x plus by plus c to the whole square. This is the answer. So are you understanding that we take u is equals to x plus by, we find the value of b, find the value of q, we put the value of p and q here, and just we are integrating and find the value of the solution between x, y and z in this form. Ultimately we have to find out the solution in form of x, y and z. Okay. Now we will move on to type 4, and in this we have the equation of the type f1 xp is equals to f2 yq. In this first order partial differential equations, z is absent and the terms containing x and p can be written on one side, and the terms containing y and q can be written on the other side. We can write in this form. Okay. So in this method we will assume that f1 xp is equals to f2 yq is equals to some constant a. Okay. Then we will take the equation f1 xp is equals to a, and we solve it for p. Solve it for p. ठीक है? Let p is equals to f1 x, and we will take x2 yq, f2 yq is equals to a, and we solve it for q. Let q is equals to f2 y. Okay, and then we have the equation in the form del dz can be written as del z over del x dx plus del z over del y dy. This is the value of p, this is the value of q. So we can write as p dx plus q dy. P we have find f1 x dx, and q we find in terms of f2y dy. This is the value of dz. Okay. On integration we get z as integration of f1x dx plus integration f2y dy plus c. Okay. Now let us do the example based on this. Suppose we have to solve p minus x square equal to q plus y square. Okay. Then we have the solution as, let p minus x square equal to q plus y square equal to हम मान लेते हैं a. ठीक है, तो आपको मिलेगा p minus x square is equals to a. जब आपने लिया आपको you get p is equals to a plus x square. Then you take q plus y square is equals to a, then you having the value q is equals to a minus y square. Okay, then we have the dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. In this form we write the value of p as a plus x square dx plus a minus y square dy. Okay, now on integrated we get, on integration we get z equal to ax plus x cube by 3 plus ay minus y cube by 3. Okay, plus integrating constant c. This is the answer. Now I have to told you, I want to told you that the this concept non-linear partial differential equation of first order is least important in our AQ. They are not coming, never come in our exam, but they are very easy to understand. Therefore I done some method and I also done some example based on this, and in the next video I just solve the questions which are depend on these method, and how will you identify that we have to follow this particular rule. I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.